Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and if you are planning to make a major financial move, like applying for a credit card, a loan, or even a mortgage, understanding the difference between being pre-qualified and pre-approved is crucial. So in today's video, we are going to break down these terms, exploring their implications and how you can use them to your advantage. Many of us have received offer in the mail like this is kind of a pre-qualified offer or pre-approved offer. But what does this really means? I mean, how do they affect our chances of actually getting approved for financial products? I mean, let's dive into the detail. Pre-qualified is often the first step in the lending process. It's like a quick check to see if you can get approved or where you stand. Lenders take a brief look at your financial background, often without a hard credit pull, which is amazing. That way, you see your odds or your chances to give an estimate of what you might get. Think of it as a casual glance of your finances to see if you can get approved. The pros of pre-qualify is first, the minimal impact on your credit score, since it actually involves only a soft credit pull. Another pro is quick and easy, giving you a basic idea of where you stand financially. These are great for us, and since they are directly from the bank on the exact day you are looking to apply, they are much more trustworthy. So in these cases, I will go with whatever the result is. If you are getting to, I mean, if you are pre-qualifying, is because you are interested in. If you get approved for and you like what the amount of you are getting approved, then you should try. I mean, if you get denial for whatever reason, then don't even try it. I mean, it's a soft pull. It didn't hurt your credit, and you already know what is going on. So don't even try. That way, you don't get hit with a hard pull. I will say that mail offer might be inaccurate, so don't believe in those like blind. You have to be aware that this, I don't know where they get the information from, but it's not accurate at all. They might have sent out prior to some change in your factor or on your credit report or your credit score, and it's definitely not a straightforward decision, or it's gonna be approved just because you received that mail. So that could alter their decision if those numbers are not exactly the same at the time that you got that or they sent out that mail. I will suggest you that always, always, always use a pre-qualification tool if that institution have it. So usually before you get into the application process, verify if that institution has a pre-qualification tool online on the website. That way you can complete all of the information and check out if you can get pre-qualified and actually you get approved in that pre-qualification, which usually is like I mentioned, is a soft pull, so it won't hurt your credit. You will know your odds and you can go from there. The point of doing this is that it's kind of a warm up, so that way the bank know what they are going to be receiving from us in our background, our credit history and all of that. So by letting them know through the soft pull and identify that they do in fact want us to get a credit card with them versus applying ice cold. Make sure to pre-qualify with the bank within the same day that you end up applying up. So what I mean with this, if you do pre-qualify for a specific product in a specific institution and you get approved, apply the same day. Don't waste the time. Just apply immediately. That way, basically, the process goes smooth. Because other than that, it could alter any information or something, and the result it can vary. If you don't apply immediately, you may face not getting an install approval or receiving a way lower limit than what you could have gotten. Even though the pre-qualification means that it's not 100% accurate, or you are still not guaranteed of the approval, but they are very helpful. Usually I will say it's a 95% success rate using them correctly in a combination with meeting all the right credit criteria. The con side, less, I will say one of them is less thorough, less reliable in predicting actual approval. So, I mean, it's like I said, it's not 100%, so it's not accurate at all, but it definitely helps. And another one it will say is sometimes institution can use this as a marketing tactic. So it's not guaranteed of approval, but they with this, if you are in this situation, in a personal situation that you are hungry or eager to get some products, some credit, and you get this, you will be tempted to see what is going on, and who knows, maybe even apply. Well, that's what they want. They want you to get you in the door or on the door. That way you can try, and then you can go from there. If you get approved, it's a win-win. If you don't, well, they still did the work. Before we continue and we dive deeper, if you are finding this information useful and helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell to get notified when I upload any videos. And also drop your question or experience with credit approval in the comments below. And don't forget to join my free VIP group that I host in the school platform, where we delve deeper into financial strategies, and check out the link in the description box below. Continuing the subject, let's talk about what does pre-approved mean. Pre-approved is step it up a notch. This is where the lender takes a closer look at your financial details, usually with a hard credit pull. So be aware of this. If you are getting pre-approved, probably it's a hard pull. So just to let you know, means the lender is tentatively willing to offer you a specific amount of credit, assuming the details you provide hold up under closer scrutiny. The pro on the pre-approved side is a more accurate indication of what you will actually qualify for, and if you will get approved. So basically in this is more accurate, like I explained before, because they're gonna hard pull, so they're gonna have more information of your reality on your credit history, your credit score, your credit profile. Another pro is signal serious interest from both the lender and the borrower. Because basically, when you pre approve, it's because you are really into that and you won't mind the hard pull. On the con side, often involve a hard pull, which is one of the difference between the pre-qualification, which is a soft pull. So you have to be sure which one do you want to go with and go from there, which can temporarily dip your credit score. Remember, every time you hard pull your credit, that's mean your credit is gonna go down for a few points. You get approved or not. Another cons is it still is not 100% guarantee. Final approval depends on further checks. What that means, that basically if you get approved, let's say that you pre-approve for something specific, maybe in a specific amount, let's say $5,000, you got approved. I mean, pre-approved. That doesn't mean that when they do the whole process and they pull the credit, they do the whole process of pre-approval. That's mean that you might get maybe 2,500 instead of 5,000. So it's everything depends of the process. So it's not 100% or guaranteed. So you have to be aware of that, but you just have to go with flow. I mean, if they are ready hard pull you, you will accept whatever they offer you, even if it's the same or not. Things to consider about pre-qualification tools online. They're great for us because it's a soft pull, and since they are directly from the bank on the exact date you are looking to apply, they are much more trustworthy. So it's really likely that you're gonna get approved, and that's what we are looking for when we are doing this. The mail offers may be inaccurate. So like I mentioned before, don't trust 100% in this mail offers, because it might be, I mean, I don't do that unless is in my personal opinion, unless it's a coupons on it that I'm gonna get some sign up bonus or something that like that I can use. I will 100% use it. But if it's a pre-qualification, like, okay, yes, you are pre-qualified for that, that usually is not what it is. They just want you to knock the door, basically. I also mentioned that you should always use pre-qualification tool if a lender has one, because it's gonna increase the odds and the probability in a good way for you to get approved. Just remember that if you do this pre-qualification with the bank, try to apply the same day. Don't wait any longer if you got approved, so you can go from there. Because if you don't apply the same day, then you might face not getting the instant approval or receiving a lower limit than you could have gotten or something like that. So just do it immediately, even though they are still no guaranteed of approval. But they are very, very helpful. And like I mentioned before, I see a 95% of success using these tools, and so it's a good deal. On the other hand, things to consider about pre-approval is that usually pre-approved means that you have done some sort of deeper check on your credit as a customer to determine if you are basically qualified. So that's mean that basically you are one step closer to get to product approved. So that's what we are looking for. And also this information, because they go in deeper in your credit, so that's mean that usually these institutions comes with a internal data from your credit that they have on you, and that usually is more helpful. To make the most out of these offers, always ensure your financials stable and your credit reports are accurate before applying. Use pre-qualifications tools to shop around without hurting your credit score. And when you are ready, a pre-approved offer can be a strong signal to proceed to a formal or with a formal application. Understanding the distinction between being pre-qualified and pre-approved give you a better roadmap for navigating credit applications and financial decisions. Use these tools wisely to plan your financial move and secure the best possible terms. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, knowledge is the key to financial empowerment. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video to help others on their financial journey. Also, remember to join my free VIP group, hosting a school platform, and where I go deeper in everything related to finance, personal finance, business finance, money, budgeting. Have a fantastic day, and let's catch up soon in the next video. Bye.